Today, I'm going to teach you how to stop Strava from automatically making your activities visible to everyone. So I'm starting by opening the Strava application on my device. Once that's loaded up, I'm looking at the top of the screen where I can see my profile icon. I'm going ahead and clicking on that to access my profile area. This takes me into my personal profile page where I can see all my activity stats and other account information. Now that I'm here, I'm looking over to the upper right corner of the screen where there's a gear icon. That's the settings button, and I need to click on it to open up all the configuration options for my account. So I'm tapping on that gear icon right now. This opens up the main settings menu where I can adjust various aspects of how Strava works for me. At this point, I'm scrolling through the settings menu to find the preferences section. This is where most of the important account controls are located. Once I spot the preferences section, I'm looking specifically for an option called privacy control. Privacy control is where Strava lets you manage who can see your information and activities. So I'm clicking on privacy control to open up those specific settings. Inside the privacy control section, I'm looking for the activities option. This is the setting that determines who can see the workouts and runs I post on Strava. So I'm clicking on activities to open up the visibility options, and right here I can see the different choices Strava gives me for activity visibility. The options shown here are everyone, followers, and only you. By default, Strava might have this set to everyone, which means anyone on the platform can see your activities even if they don't follow you. If I want more privacy, I can change this. So I'm going to click on either only you or followers, depending on how private I want my activities to be. If I choose only you, then nobody else can see my activities at all. If I choose followers, then only people who follow me on Strava will be able to see what I post. Once I make that selection, the setting is automatically saved, and from this point forward, any new activities I record will follow this privacy setting instead of being visible to everyone by default. And that's it. I've successfully changed my Strava privacy settings so my activities are no longer automatically shared with everyone on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.